Hello everyone, welcome back to Gyan Abhyas. Today I want to ask you a simple question. How did you learn your mother tongue? Did someone teach you grammar first? Did someone ask you to memorize thousands of words? Probably not. Before you learned to speak, you listened. You listened to your parents. You listened to your family members. You listened to people around you. For months and even years, you only listened. And one day, without realizing it, you started speaking. Now, let me ask another question. If a child can learn a language simply by listening, then why can't we learn English in the same way? Many students spend years studying grammar. They memorize vocabulary, they translate sentences. But when they watch an English movie, listen to a podcast, or talk to a foreigner, they understand very little. Why? Because they trained their eyes to read English, but they never trained their ears to understand English. Listening is not an extra skill. Listening is the foundation. The more English you listen to, the more familiar English becomes. At first, you may understand only a few words. Then you will understand sentences. After that, you will understand conversations. And one day, you will understand English without translating it into your own language. That is exactly what we're going to do in this series. No pressure, no difficult grammar lessons, just listening, understanding, and improving a little every day. So, are you ready to train your ears and improve your English? If your answer is yes, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gyan Abhyas for more English listening practice videos. Let's begin our journey together.